Presented from the Aishin Broadcast Studio at Babcock's Media.
Right part, right place, right time. Data drives the $400 billion parts and service market. That's why Epicor, with more than 50 years of automotive industry leadership, built the industry's premier digital data network, delivering market, vehicle, part, tire, and repair intelligence that fosters growth at every level of the aftermarket.
Hello and welcome to the Aftermarket News 2024 Year in Review. I'm Emma Henderson, Managing Editor of Aftermarket News.
And I'm Jeff White, Managing Editor of Counterman magazine. Today we are looking at the top manufacturing stories of 2024.
In early 2024, Valvoline announced the launch of its premium full synthetic motor oil, Restore and Protect. Valvoline says Restore and Protect is the first of its kind innovation that removes up to 100% of engine-killing deposits with continuous use, restoring engines to run like factory clean while protecting against future damage.
Dorman Products' 400 new motor vehicle parts broaden its offerings in the automotive aftermarket. Among the notable releases was a Dorman OE fixed exhaust manifold clamp repair kit. It's designed for approximately 3 million aging Ford and Lincoln vehicles.
AMSoil added a new 0W40 viscosity to its line of OE 100% synthetic motor oil. The new OE 0W40 is primarily for newer Ram HD trucks equipped with the 6.4-liter Hemi engine. In April, NTK Technologies officially merged with Nitera North America, formerly NGK Spark Plugs. Despite the merger, the company continues to market its products under the NTK Technical Ceramic brand name.
Rislone made news in May when it introduced an expansion of its line of products for cleaning, optimizing, and maintaining diesel selective catalytic reduction systems. Rislone said the treatment improves DEF fluid performance and prevents white crystallization deposits from forming anywhere in the system. Over the summer, SKF announced it will automate the company's aftermarket products warehouse in Tennessee, scheduled for 2025. The warehouse will be retrofitted with an AutoStore robotic storage and picking system. SKF said the automated AutoStore picking solution represents a significant leap forward in the company's logistics capabilities. And now to a major acquisition. BBB Industries finished its acquisition of All Star Auto Parts in August, a month after the deal was first announced. Headquartered in Orlando, Florida, All Star is a provider of alternative automotive replacement parts, including both remanufactured, OEM, and aftermarket lights and wheels.
In October, Schaeffler announced it successfully completed the merger with Vitesco Technologies Group AG that was announced almost a year earlier. Following the merger, Schaeffler divided its business activities into 4 focused divisions: e-mobility, powertrain and chassis, vehicle lifetime solutions, and bearings and industrial solutions. Standard Motor Products announced plans to acquire Nissens, a European manufacturer and distributor of aftermarket engine cooling and air conditioning products. SMP CEO Eric Sills says his company plans to operate Nissens as a standalone unit while leveraging the combined strength of the two companies to realize both cost and revenue synergies. Remember, you can catch all of our Year in Review segments on aftermarketnews.com. Thanks for joining us.